हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आपको एडजेक्टिव्स तो अंडरस्टैंड हो ही गया होगा. सिंस वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑन these, there are some more adjectives. Let's know about them. Numeral adjectives or adjectives of number. To understand numeral adjectives, let's see these three examples. First is, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Now, what do you observe here? The word 8 denotes the number of planets. Second is, the Earth is the 5th largest planet. Here, the word 5th denotes the order. Third is, some students are playing in the field. In this example, some denotes indefinite number of students. So students, numeral adjectives refer to the number or order of persons or things. Example 1, 2, 3 and so on denotes numbers. First, second, third, so on denotes order, while few, some, all, etc. denotes to indefinite number of person or things. Demonstrative adjectives. Now look at these 4 examples and observe what you find here. The words this, that, these, those are just before the words house, bird, books and flowers, and point out them are demonstrative adjectives. So, you can say demonstrative adjectives are the words that indicate to a person, place or thing. Example, this, that, these, those, such, etc. So students, in singular for near we use this and for far we use that. Whereas in plural for near we use these and for far we use those. Now we come to distributive adjectives. Look at these 3 examples. There are 3 words, each, either, neither in red color that are used just before student, pen, newspaper respectively. Individually describe them. Therefore students, a distributive adjective describes members of a group of person or things separately. Example, every, each, either, etc. Now we will learn about interrogative adjectives. Observe the words which, what and whose given in the examples. These make query about bag, fruit and books. These are interrogative adjectives. Thus, interrogative adjectives are the words that are used to ask question as well as describes a person or a thing. Example, which, what, whose, etc. Now we'll talk about possessive adjectives. Now look at these 2 examples and observe the words in red color. The word your and my show possession of someone on house and books respectively. Therefore, adjectives that shows possession or ownership is called possessive adjectives. Example, my, his, her, our, their, etc. Now students, it's time to see what you have understood from this part. Here we come to the MCQs. Question number 1 is, our dash students secured more than 90% marks in mathematics. Your options are little, few, both, or some. The correct option is few. Next is dash flats are being constructed by the Lucknow Development Authority. The options to fill these blanks are these, those, this, or that. The correct option is these. Next is dash student was given a certificate by the chief guest. Options are these, those, both, or each. Your correct answer is each. So the sentence will be as each student was given a certificate by the chief guest. Next is dash city is bigger, Faizabad or Lucknow. Now your options are which, what, whose, or none of the above. The correct option is which. Next is Jack fractured in dash leg when he fell off the swing. Now, to fill this blank, your options are their, her, his, or mine. The correct option is his. So sentence will be as Jack fractured in his leg when he fell off the swing. Now students, it's time to practice some questions taken from the content. So, here are the questions that are given to you as homework. First is, do the exercise based on possessive adjectives and demonstrative adjectives from your book, New Grammar Plus. Your exercises are, fill in the blanks with adjectives of number or quantity. Next is, fill in the blanks with possessive adjectives. Now you have to choose the correct possessive adjectives to fill in the blanks. That's it for today, kids. We'll meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon with the new video.